Totally. I think we live in a world where animal spirits are pretty much important in defining the shape of the economy as defined by Keynes. And well, we've gone from a total paralysis, Spain out of the question, no way to invest there, to pretty much, a flow of investors wanting to take a position there. There is a rationale behind, basically because the Spain proposition of value for investment, it is cheap in relative comparison, and as well Portugal. So once you remove one of the big risks, that we had related to the euro and to the fiscal contraction, etc., then Spain becomes very, very, very interesting in relative terms. However, to some degree, we need to see the depth and the speed of the recovery, and to some extent, investors are anticipating that. The strategies, I think, to some extent, are based on a correction in yields, pretty much. And some other investors, I think there are different kind of investors. Some other investors are not so much concentrated on yield, but they are concentrated on repercussion price per square meter, basically buying good assets at a reasonable price, just betting that rents have adjusted probably 50% as an average, and there is a rationale of convergence to the mean again once the recovery is there, which we have already some evidence that the fundamentals are improving, but that doesn't mean that we are growing at a big rhythm yet. It's just an expectative at this moment.